lie, you'll forget all memory of the person you lied to.
Okay, I took it.
I'll be back, sweetie. I'm just going to get some milk.
Okay, Daddy.
Little girl, what are you doing in my house? Go back to your own house.
You don't remember me? Daddy lied. Okay, I'll go back to my own house. All right, Mom, I'm heading to school.
Listen, just hurry up and send the child support. I need it.
Who are you talking to?
Your father.
Father? But I don't have a dad. I've never had a dad. Fine, don't tell me then.
Class, I'd like you to meet our new principal, Principal Stevens. Brianna, it's so nice to finally meet you.
I might kill my ex. Not the best idea.
Ow! What did you do that for? No. Stop. In the name.
I just killed my ex. Not the best idea.
It's me. Hi. I'm the problem, it's me.
Killed his girlfriend next. How'd I get here?
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
Mama just killed the man.
Oh no. No. Run away.
7 a.m. waking up in the morning. Gotta be fresh, gotta go downstairs.
Hey, we're gonna have a good day.
Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. I got to go.
Stop. In the name of love.
What? What do you mean?
I should have bought you flowers.
I can buy myself flowers.
And held your hand.
I can hold my own hand.
I can't help
Falling in love.
I might kill my ex. Not the best idea.
Ow! What did you do that for? No. Stop. In the name.
I just killed my ex.
Anna, I don't want to be the one to tell you this, but that is not your mom. I am your real mother. She doesn't know what she's talking about. She doesn't even know me.
You're right. You think you know my own mother better than I do? You're just never happy for me.
Brianna, wait.
Ella's mom, what are you doing here?
Ella never came home from school yesterday. Since you're her best friend, I thought you might know where she went.
I don't. I'm sorry. Jake, we have to cancel our date tonight. My best friend's missing. I'm really worried about her.
That's no problem. Get some rest.
Bye.
You've been talking to Jake a lot recently.
Yeah, I really like him.
Honey, hurry downstairs. I have a surprise for you. Surprise!
Ella? Jake? I don't think they're breathing.
Since you like them so much, I brought them to you.
Choose to speak to your soulmate or choose to speak to your mom? My mom passed away when I was 3 years old. How could I speak to her?
Hello, sweetie.
Mom, is that really you?
Yes, it is really me. I'm so regretful that I couldn't be in your life more.
It really is you. There's so much I've wanted to tell you. Hey, Mom,
Yes, sweetie?
I have a date tonight. I really like him.
Aw, that's wonderful.
Will you help me choose an outfit for it later? I've always dreamed of my mom helping me get ready for my first date.
Of course.
Mom, these questions are really hard. Could you help me?
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to my mom. She's dead. I got a choice this morning to talk to either my mom or my soulmate.
Brianna, I don't want to tell you this, but that is not your mom.
GTG. I gotta yeet to HS.
TTYL, hit the books.
What's up, bro? Homework was mad tough. Homework? I didn't finish it.
Bro, you're gonna croak. You gotta spit slang.
I didn't hit the books. Bro,
Probably not.
Bro croaked. My best bro died.
Spit slang.
I don't want to anymore. YOLO! Yo, Bree, you fine AF. You wanna kick it? Riz!
Maybe.
You gotta spit slang!
Sissy, let's play a game.
No, you can't say those words. One of us is going to die now. What game?
What?
You need to choose a game. You need to choose one you're good at, so that you can live.
No, I don't want you to die.
Sissy, just choose a game.
Okay, how about we draw toothpicks? Whoever chooses the shortest stick loses.
This is a game of luck. You're supposed to choose a game you're good at.
I don't know what game I'm good at.
You choose first.
I got the short stick.
Wait! Let's play a game. I want to make a deal with you. If I win the game, you spare my little sister. But if I lose, you kill us both and you get double the prize money.
Deal. What game are we playing?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Scissors.
Hello, Brianna.
Hi.
The name is... I'm your new neighbor. Where are you off to?
School?
Are you going alone?
No, I'm not alone. I'm meeting my friend. She's just over there. Mom, the new neighbor is kind of weird. He gives me bad vibes.
Do you know his name? We can look him up on public data check. By typing in his name, we'll be able to get a detailed background report. This will show us if he's safe to be around or not. It will show if he has a criminal record, address history, location, and names.
Mom, guess what I found out? He's changed his name like 10 times. He's moved places 15 times in the past year and has multiple felonies. He's not safe to be around.
Let's play a game.
Selected.
Why would you do that? One of us is going to die now.
Yes, but one of us is going to get money.
What game are we playing?
A game of odds. Heads or tails?
Tails.
Alright, I choose heads then. No, it's tails. A redo? Just the granola bar?
Yes. How much?
Let's play a game.
Selected.
What game?
Go fish. The 10 of hearts?
Go fish. Joker.
What? How did you know? You're a cheater!
Mom, I'm home.
Sissy, let's play a game.
Selected.
No, you can't say those words. Everyone can hear your thoughts or you can hear everyone's thoughts. I can hear everyone's thoughts. People cannot know what I'm thinking.
Hey, baby. Her mom is so much hotter than her.
You think my mom is hotter than me?
What? No, why would you say that? Her mother is the love of my life. I'd marry her mother if I was given the chance.
Jason, we are over.
Here's your test back, Brianna. You failed again.
What? I failed again?
I'm failing her on purpose.
You've been failing me on purpose.
Brianna, no throwing paper. Go to detention. I heard you broke up with your boyfriend. That's so sad. It's not sad.
Yeah, it is.
Let's go out on a date tonight. It will cheer you up. This is how I learn all my victims. She's next.
Which bodies with? Best friend or boyfriend? I wonder what living in my boyfriend's body would be like. Yo, I already switched bodies? I wonder how long I'm gonna be in this body for. Yo, that means I have a pig! One of Jake came to school today in my body.
Hi, Jakey.
Hi, Stephanie.
Come here.
Whoa! Why did you just do that? You're Brianna's best friend.
Why are you acting surprised? We do it all the time when she's not around.
We do?
Yes?
You're a bad friend. We're not best friends anymore.
What? Yo, bro. Fist bump? Yeah. How's Christine?
Christine?
Your new lady?
How many ladies do I have?
Dude, I can't even keep track at this point.
He's cheating on me?
Hey, Jake. Brianna's looking everywhere for you. Uh-oh.
Where is he? I mean, she!
Was it a mistake? Brianna, if you agree, I'll take away one of your marks. No, that's my last mistake. You still have 3 left.
It was her mistake. Not mine.
Hey guys.
You can't sit with us.
Why not?
The reason Sophie's dead. You let her die so you didn't get another mark.
Why should I get a mark? I wasn't the one who made a mistake. 5 marks and you're out.
You're so selfish. Your shoelaces aren't tied.
Why would you do that?
Sir, she made a mistake. She forgot to tie her shoelaces and then she tripped.
What? No, you tricked me.
You're now the school's target. That's what you get for killing Sophie. You're gonna be next.